Hi, second grade. Today I'm going to talk to you about your writing assignment and we're going to review opinion writing. So, if you remember, we started to talk about opinion writing a little while ago when we did that assignment about should students have to wear uniforms? Yes, I think they should have to wear uniforms, or no, I don't think that they should have to wear uniforms. So, we did a whole paper on opinion writing in that way, and today we're just going to review it, maybe a little bit of next week too, and we're going to share our opinions on other things. So, as a reminder, your opinion is when you share what your thoughts are, why you believe a certain thing, or why you think a certain way. A lot of the times when we think about opinion writing, we think about like our favorite thing. So, for example, my favorite color is blue, and I think blue is the best color. But someone else probably thinks that pink or red or green, that those are the best colors. So when we talk about opinions, we're talking about what we think, but also why we think that way. So for example, if I just said, well, blue's the best color, someone else could say, well, why? Why do you think that? And I have to share my reasons and my details for why I believe what I do. So I would say, well, I think blue is the best color. As you can see, my wall is blue because it relaxes me. It's really pretty. I like the way it looks. It has a calming color to it. So you share what you think and why you think it is the more important part. Okay. So we're going to talk a little bit about this in relation to Earth Day. And Earth Day is super important, and I want you now to tell me why you think it's important and what you think the most important thing to do to take care of the earth is. Okay. So these sentence starters right next to me, am I holding them? Okay. So my sentence starters here are just a way for you to get your paragraph started and answer in your opinion. So they say, I think, because it's what you think. I prefer, which means that would be more likely used with the example of the color. So I prefer blue because, right? In my opinion, I believe, I like blank because. So see that because is super important as it's showing more detail. So you're giving your opinion, and then the because is where you put in more details of why you think that way. And then lastly, it says blank is better than blank because. So that's just another way to express your opinion and share, well, why is this something that's important to you? Okay. So this is what your seesaw assignment will look like. It is just two questions that I want you to share your opinion on, and I have a little example that I started to show you. So I'll read you my example. I wrote, I think it is important to take care of the earth so that animals have a safe place to live. So for me, when I think about taking care of the earth, I think mostly about animals that are endangered and really need a safe place to live. But maybe your opinion, the more important, the reason we should all take care of the earth is for humans, right? We also live on this earth and we need to be able to live on it and have a safe life. Or maybe you think that plants are the ones that are really, really the most impacted by this. Or maybe it's all three, okay? It's totally up to you what you think. Why should we take care of the earth? And I want you to share that in your own words, and I want you to have your own thoughts on it because this is your opinion. What do you think are the best ways to take care of the earth? So I wrote, I think that the best way to take care of the earth is to pick up trash and pick up litter as much as you can. So I wrote that because when I think about taking care of the earth, that's the number one thing that I try to do. And I even added a little bit more detail. I said, I think everyone should pick up their trash so that birds and animals don't eat it and get sick. Maybe you think the most important way to take care of the earth is planting new plants. Maybe you think it's using your car less and going for bike rides and walking. Maybe you think it's something completely different. It is up to you what you think the best way to take care of the earth is. So I can't wait to read these and to see what you come up with. Remember, again, it's your opinion, it's your ideas. And there's no wrong answer. And if you need some help, I will have these sentence starters available for you to check out. And I'm excited to read your writing.